Welcome to Split, a city full of life, history, and stunning coastal views. But beyond the palace walls and crowded beaches, there's a peaceful green hill loved by locals for generations. The forest park that breathes life into Split, Park Šuma Marjan. Let's take a journey through its trails, beaches, and hidden corners to discover why it's more than just a park. It's the soul of the city. A forested peninsula rising above the sea, stretching out from the western edge of Split. Protected as a park since the 1960s, it covers over 300 hectares of Mediterranean pine forest, cliffs, coves, and cultural heritage. Locals call it the lungs of Split, and for good reason. It offers fresh air, natural shade, and stunning views just steps from the city center. It's a haven for walkers, runners, families, and anyone seeking a peaceful escape from the busy streets below. The park is crisscrossed with trails suited for every type of visitor. Whether you're hiking up steep forest paths, enjoying a slow walk by the sea, or cycling through the park, there's something for everyone. The trails are clearly marked and include rest stops, benches, and scenic points along the way. One of the most popular ways to access is by the stone staircase that starts just a few minutes from the old town. These historic stairs lead you uphill through shaded pine trees and stone walls, with each step revealing better views of Split below. The climb isn't too long, and it rewards you with an unforgettable panorama. At the top of the first flight of stairs, you'll arrive at a beautiful viewpoint overlooking the old town, the harbor, and the Adriatic Sea. This is one of the best photo spots in Split, and the beginning of your adventure. Walking up the stairs from the viewpoint brings you to the Split Zoo, small and historic, with animals native to the region. Though modest, it remains a nostalgic part of many childhoods in Split and is currently being revitalized as part of the broader park renewal plan. Nearby is the Botanical Garden, established in the 1950s to showcase Dalmatian and Mediterranean flora. Though not large, it's home to many rare and endemic plants and provides a peaceful atmosphere perfect for an afternoon stroll. If you're up for a bit more climbing, continue to Telegrin, the highest point at 178 meters. From here, you'll get a sweeping view of Split, the Adriatic, and the nearby islands. There's also a large white cross at the summit, a recognizable symbol seen from many parts of the city. Recently opened, the Vidikovac Viewpoint further up the hill offers even more breathtaking perspective of the coastline. It already become a favorite spot for locals and tourists to take photos or watch the sunset over the sea. Walking further down throughout the park leads you to the medieval cave dwellings, once used by Christian hermits seeking solitude and prayer in nature. These sacred spaces are quiet reminders of Split's long and layered history. There are more ancient churches in the park, some of which are built as early as the 9th century. Among them are St. Nicholas, St. Jerome, and St. George. On the southern side of the park, you'll find two of Split's most scenic beaches. Kašjuni Beach is a crescent-shaped bay with crystal clear water and a popular beach club. It's ideal for swimming, sunbathing, or just unwinding in style. Not far away is Ježinac Beach, loved for its shoreline, turquoise water, and proximity to the Old Town. Just a few steps away overlooking the sea, you'll find the Meštrović Gallery, housed in the former villa of Ivan Meštrović, Croatia's most celebrated sculptor. The gallery features his most iconic works, both inside and throughout the sculpture-filled garden. It's a peaceful blend of art, architecture, and nature. Right next to the gallery stands the Museum of Croatian Archaeological Monuments, one of the most important cultural institutions in Croatia. It preserves valuable artifacts from the early medieval period, with a focus on Croatian kings, warriors, and religious art from the 7th to 15th centuries. Further along the coast, at the base of the park, lies the Sustipan Park, a former cemetery turned into a romantic garden. Perched on a cliff above the sea, it offers incredible views and a peaceful atmosphere with walking paths, stone remains, and benches tucked among the pines. Don't forget the northern entrance to the park, known as Spinut Gate. This entrance, near the marina, offers flat trails, ideal for cycling, jogging, and family walks by the sea. It's a quieter side of the park, but no less beautiful. The park is fully adapted for a range of activities. There are walking and hiking trails, bike paths, bike rental points, and even a small tourist train that takes visitors through the park in season. You can even hire a private electric golf cart, especially helpful for families or visitors with mobility issues. No matter how you choose to explore, this place offers something for everyone. On the northern coast of the park are the beloved local beaches. First water, second water, and third water are natural rocky coves, perfect for a quiet swim in crystal clear waters. west is Bene Beach, shaded by pine trees, with a playground, sports courts, and a beach bar. It's the perfect family beach and a favorite among locals for generations. Whether you're hiking to the top, swimming on its beaches, biking, or just enjoying the view, this majestic place offers something for everyone. So when you're in Split, don't miss the chance to explore this beautiful place, the green heart of the city. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite spot in the park? Thanks for watching, and see you at the next beautiful destination.